What's the meaning of cornflakes? Cornflakes. Cornflakes.
Cornflakes. Cornflakes. Cornflakes refer to a breakfast cereal made from toasted flakes of corn. The process involves cooking corn, mixing it with sugar and salt, and then rolling it out into flakes before toasting it. Cornflakes are typically served with milk and are a popular breakfast option around the world. They were first introduced as a health food in the late 19th century by John Harvey Kellogg and have since become a staple in many households. Today, cornflakes are known for their crunchy texture, mild flavor, and versatility in recipes beyond breakfast.